hello.
I'm ready to win! Alright, game face on!
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Do we have time to go on some rides? Like, that's what is my favorite.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Everyone ready?
Oh
Got a
shit.
widow.
I have a widow.
Yeah, don't stand in the open.
Yeah, wait for them to pass through and then we can dive the widow.
There's a Zarya on the
Okay,
right.
widow's up top.
Widow dead.
Yo, Zarya alone on the right.
See Zarya.
Right half.
Here comes Ryan. On the right, no storm. Okay, come back.
Yeah, coming back.
Not back.
Keep coming back, keep coming back.
Please.
Widow left, Widow high left.
Run.
Already?
He's just been swinging for free.
He's hit like 5 people with every 5
We swap to Orion.
I've got you covered.
Time to be young to die!
Zarya's pushing up, she's got a large charge. Widow's high right.
Objective lost.
That's our hot Falcon.
Time to win my end!
They're coming upstairs. Nice.
Nice, good check.
Left side, Hunter.
If I damage boost you, how does damage boost down?
I don't really know. Like, you can hear the ticks, but I haven't picked up actually.
Yeah, but you still hear
Right,
the
still
dicks on
broken?
like dragons and stuff, and they say that. I'm just gonna do it because.
I think maybe you can't change your thought, but maybe you can change the initial explosion.
Hey, come back.
I know when you damage boost the Moira Ball, it doesn't make it do any more damage, but it makes it drain
It
faster.
We should pull back.
I can't help the monkey.
Bye bye.
Rallying power to forward shield!
Widow's low.
You got sights? Don't
Yeah, I
peek the
can't go
widow,
for
you
the
got
rest.
sights.
It's okay, we have a shield. Stand behind for I can't do anything.
Widow one.
Yeah, we're all dead.
Ah, that sucks.
Yeah, a little bit. Ash, wait, no, Ash!
Try.
Time to be young to die!
Probably like the Ryan.
Yeah, they're off the widow though, they're on McCree.
Also,
Point. Hey, we have way too much time, we have to contest. Great, Moira and Zara are behind you guys. You guys are all crit, there's nothing I can do. I'll do what I can.
I'm not really a good Rhine, but we definitely need
Nothing I can do against the fan.
yes.
I have Rally.
I lost
Yeah,
it,
I'll swap
sorry.
after this stuff.
I have Bob next fight.
Yeah, we got 2 ults. Wait, who said they weren't a good run?
I did.
I swapped.
Said he should.
Okay, because I can do it as soon as 50 kills.
I'm good at Ryan.
Agree 1 HP if you can see him.
Yeah, we're very split up right now.
Sorry,
Let's push up the bot. He's He's gonna get melted. Let's take the face. Ash, I can't see you. Oh, the one's right. Yeah, good effort.
Okay, ready to set?
Injecting. Right the hand. I'm all in.
Yeah, right, man.
Yeah, they're just doing so much fucking damage.
Yeah, we can't do anything. I know.
I'm back in the game.
Also, the Zarya's like singing max.
Yeah, the whole game, right?
Go, three.
Staggering and also losing.
That was should have done that. Why am I not thinking?
We gotta burn some kind of time. Somebody go May. They're not a healer. I fucked up his shatter. What? Oh fuck! I was behind a wall around the corner and he shattered me. Huge bomb though. We still win this. We still win this.
Ryan's low. Focus Ryan, focus Ryan.
I moved him in.
Nice, nice fight.
Reno flash. Camping heals.
Watch out for the C9 from the Tracer.
Yeah. If I see the card, we will go back. Alright, backing on up. God.
Wait, how did he block that shatter? He was up in the air.
One on point, please.
The fuck?
I was trying to they have 2 minutes.
Complete.
We can beat that.
I just watched that shatter. He was up in the air. Nothing blocked it.
Yeah, he also shattered me around a corner, but it's fine.
Switching sides.
Evilom and Shatter are like, they're really weird.
Prepare.
Like Evilom gets you around the corner and then
Select your
Shatter the
hero.
same thing.
That was an easy 5-man shatter. That fucking sucks.
Ryan is just fucked still.
Yeah.
He always will be, probably. Yeah, no, it's absolutely the worst.
Together, we are strong. Reinhardt, you said you would arm wrestle me. Nervous?
Attack
I was
commences
muted.
in
Cool.
30
I'll play whatever. You guys pick what you're comfortable on.
Prove ourselves in glorious combat.
Would you rather main heal or secondary heal?
I honestly don't care. I can play all 6. Alright, what do you guys want? Mercy, Honor, Mora?
I don't know, honor.
5, 4, 3,
We have to move together.
1. Attack
Yep.
commencing. Capture.
You guys gonna go just straight to point left side?
Speaking of moving together,
Let's see what they have first.
we could always run
Yeah,
go.
base. They're holding up top left. Sorry, top right. Yeah, let's just go straight to point. Expect them AWOL. They're gonna try and cut us off.
Yeah, stay together. There it is. We can go around it.
What?
Ryan,
They
sleep and
burn
go.
We're half. We're 1.
Doing what I can. You guys are all crazy.
Lucio. Dead.
They don't have any healers. You guys got
They're gonna have another wall in a second.
Yeah, I'm getting spread
Okay.
real thin here.
all of you. I can see.
Soldier, drop a pod and get one. Thank you. Ryan, I'm sitting at 85. You'll have it in a
He's
second.
low on the right. Thank you.
Push up. Soldier.
Freeze half.
Hey, what's this wall up down really quick?
Have fun, Ryan.
Oh, these fucking roofs.
I'm dead.
I got
No, I got it.
Thank you.
This
We lost our
fight
soldier,
is
though.
not over.
McCree anti. We lost our Ryan. Back up.
Can we get a Lucio?
I'm getting CC'd everywhere. I can't move. Yeah, Lucio would really help.
I'm still fucked, but it was incredible.
Stop dying. Wait and spawn.
Believe me, if I could stop dying, I would.
Can we get a Lucio?
Yes, please.
Close to ult after I use it.
I think the Lucio is going to be more.
The Lucio would be a lot more important than ult.
It's okay, just let him transform from this one.
Yeah, take high ground off them. Take high ground off them.
Degrees are
Go right, go right, go right.
Gotta reload. Zen, come on.
Let's just leave our DPS up here. The rest of us can push right side.
Somebody's up here with us.
It's alright, it's alright.
there.
Alright, sweet. Situation there.
I have my ult.
Ryan just here. Ryan just drops. Alright, go.
Yeah, I have Shatter.
Play aggro with that.
I'm pushing in with Shatter.
Ryan, I have 90.
Okay, pulling back.
I'm dead. We got you though. Trading. Push. Huge bomb.
Trying to score Ryan. Ryan's ult here.
Where's this one?
Oh, best teammate.
I need shields.
Have a nade.
60 seconds.
No, okay. Zarya.
Objective
Freeze way up.
I'm not there. Hang on. I'm around the corner.
Okay, there.
Back up
Let's
here.
go.
You guys are all crit. Ryan, when you shatter, I'm gonna drop an arrow.
Okay.
We just lost one.
Guys, it's Halo.
Alright, let's wait for the respawn.
Hanzo's on top of the cannon. On top of the cannon.
That was stupid raid. Back up.
After we grab, we might need a diva to get onto that high ground. I don't think we should go full dive though. We definitely need a shield.
My will is on
Hanzo's half.
Someone get that payload.
Honestly, I might just nano Bob.
Okay, I'm just gonna take this fight.
Three dead. Let's go. Bob's clearing a path.
Nice.
Oh god.
I can't see you, Zarya. Behind, Hanzo behind. He's sleeping. Behind you guys.
Keep low.
I died from sleep. But we didn't kill him, so he's okay. Cool.
Nice.
Avenge me.
We're right above us, left side.
You guys are trailing the healer right now. You're losing him. We're gonna have noon.
Everyone.
What? McCree's got me pinned in the back line.
Freeze underneath in terrace.
Nothing I can do about that.
Oh, I can't kill himself.
Yeah, I can't see you right now. That's all I can give you.
Pull him up. Oh, fuck, he got moved.
Yeah, they're doing so much fucking damage.
Yeah. We have a lot of ults coming on.
At least they got rid of it.
I mean, probably.
Game on.
You got high ground, 2 ults to eat.
You gotta stop poking.
McCree's on our right.
Poking almost dying versus fight.
McCree's sleeping.
Yeah, I'm going for him.
They're all there.
Nice.
Have fun.
Yeah, we can take this.
Go.
Maybe unnecessary. I can't see you. He was coming on our left.
Go for spawn.
Yeah, there's no beat on that. Alright, just watch it. We're good, you're good.
Big clip.
He's on.
Watch it. We lost one. McCree in the back. No sleep. Good. Hanzo on point.
On the one.
Hanzo, Karis. We're good, we're good.
Moira. Lucio's coming in. Lucio. Double Lucio.
Working on it. I don't really have damage Lucio. He was out of mech. Alright, we capped.
Let's try and get it before overtime.
If I can get 3 or more of my shot of them here. Does Baby Diva wait on the right?
I have nano. Yeah, there's a bunch on our right.
Yes, it's on push payload.
They have an Ashe now. They're off McCree. Ashe Hanzo.
Okay, they have Reinhardt again.
Lucio's on our right. Watch creep. We just lost both DPS back up and we have one more fight.
They're coming out. Could have had the ult.
Headshot. Dang.
Get out.
Yeah, both their DPS are really good. Alright, here we go. We got one more.
I have bomb and a great Ryan shield.
Cash one.
I'm gonna walk through the Reinhardt to the shutter.